Hey, welcome back to Finance Fruit. Ever looked at your bank account and wondered, where did all my money go? You're working hard, making good money, but still struggling to get ahead. Today we're talking about a huge money mistake: lifestyle inflation. It's a silent wealth killer, and most people don't even realize they're making this mistake. But don't worry, I'll break down what lifestyle inflation is, why it's dangerous, and how to avoid it. Stick around until the end, and you'll learn actionable steps to fix your finances and start building real wealth. Let's do this. So, what exactly is lifestyle inflation? It's when your expenses increase at the same rate or even faster than your income. You get a raise, feel great, and then, bam! You start spending more money. Maybe you upgrade your car, move into a bigger apartment, or start eating out more often. It feels good in the moment, right? But lifestyle inflation prevents you from building wealth. It's like trying to run up a downward escalator. You're working hard but not getting anywhere. You deserve to enjoy your money. But there's a big difference between enjoying it responsibly and letting lifestyle inflation drain your bank account. The key is to be intentional with your spending. Invest it, save it, and build a solid financial foundation. Now that you understand the problem, let's talk solutions. The first step to combating lifestyle inflation is simple: pay yourself first. Before you spend a single dollar on anything else, automate a portion of your income to go directly into your savings or investments. Think of it like this: your future self is your most important creditor. A good rule of thumb is to aim for at least 20% of your income. Start small if you need to. Even 5 or 10% is better than nothing. This one habit alone can completely transform your finances. Step 2 is all about being intentional with your money. Don't just spend because you can. Create a clear plan for your finances. What are your goals? Do you want to buy a house, invest in real estate, retire early? Write down your goals and break them into smaller steps. Then, create a budget that aligns with those goals. When you have a plan, it's easier to resist impulse purchases and avoid lifestyle inflation. For example, if your goal is to buy a rental property in the next 5 years, you'll be more motivated to save for that down payment. Instead of upgrading your car, save for that down payment. Every dollar you spend is a dollar that could be working towards your goals. Let's talk about one of the biggest culprits of lifestyle inflation: upgrades. We live in a society that constantly bombards us with messages to upgrade our phones, cars, clothes, everything. But most of these upgrades are unnecessary. They're just shiny objects designed to distract us from our financial goals. Before you upgrade anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Will this upgrade significantly improve my life? Often the answer is no. Delaying unnecessary upgrades can save you thousands of dollars in the long run. For example, instead of upgrading your perfectly functional iPhone, imagine if you invested that money instead. Which would you rather have, a slightly newer phone or a growing investment portfolio? The choice is clear. So, there you have it. The big money mistake that's probably holding you back, and the actionable steps to fix it. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, discipline, and a willingness to resist the temptation of lifestyle inflation. Start by paying yourself first, set clear financial goals, and avoid unnecessary upgrades. Be patient with yourself. Every small step you take towards financial freedom is a step in the right direction. What's your biggest financial goal? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing money tips. See you in the next one.